Alright, here's the Mustang. Now, a little while ago I've been having a little issue with the turn signal. I don't know whether it's just the fact those are our aftermarket lights or what. But, if you can see here. Alright, now usually when you hit the turn signal, of course, it's going to flash. But, straight light. I have no idea what is up with it. I don't know if it's electrical or just the fact that it's an aftermarket headlight, or because it was working fine before we got the headlights in it. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but if anybody could help me, I would be very, very appreciative about it. Now the only time I think, yeah, the emergency lights will flash just fine. But, you know, I don't know. But again, if somebody could help me out, I would very much appreciate it. Thank you.